Here's a trade on Dogecoin OTC for an upward move. The trade is currently going in our favor, just a few seconds left and we've won it. My balance is now $960 and we've won again. That's a great return from an initial $500, all by using the ATR. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well and making profits with the help of our well-known martingale signals. Yes, our signals now follow a non-martingale strategy. If you'd like to join us, the link is in the description and you can message me on Telegram at @bbinarysupport. So all the links are in the description, so go check them out. Let's get into today's video. In this one, we'll be using a new indicator called ATR, Average True Range. First, go to the indicators section, select ATR and open the settings. Keep the period as default, but change the line style to 2px for better visibility. Save the settings and you're good to go. So, how does this indicator work? When you see a trending market, for example, 2 or 3 candles moving in the same direction, and the ATR line crosses the mid-level, you can place a trade in the direction of the trend. Let's look for our first trade so I can explain this in more detail. Here's a trade on Dogecoin OTC for an upward move. Why did I take this trade? You'll see 2 green candles formed, and on the ATR, the line crossed the middle level, indicating movement. So I place a trade in the continuation direction. If the line crosses upward, place a trade for a downward move and vice versa. The trade is currently going in our favor, just a few seconds left and we've won it. My balance is now $960. Now let's find a trade for $960 on Facebook OTC. I placed a trade for a downward move. You can see 6 red candles formed and the ATR line is clearly moving down. This shows strong momentum, so I followed the trend. If you understand candlestick patterns, you'll notice this was a continuation setup as well. Another reason to take this trade. Again, the trade is going well, just a few seconds left and we won. My balance is now $1,795. Let's find another trade. On Apple OTC, I've placed a trade for a downward move. There were 5 red candles in a row and the ATR line also crossed the mid-level downwards, showing strong momentum. The trade is going in our favor. A few seconds left and we won again. Let's look for another opportunity. Remember, with this indicator, we follow the trend. We don't take reversal trades. On Cardano OTC, I'm watching for an upward move. If this candle closes green, I'll proceed. It just closed green, so I've placed a trade for $3,446 in the upward direction. You'll notice the ATR line had dropped sharply and now 2 green candles have formed, signaling in our favor. And we've won again. That's a great return from an initial $500, all by using the ATR, Average True Range indicator. I hope this video helped you understand how it works. I'll make more videos to explain it in even more detail. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. If you have any topic suggestions, drop them in the comments. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye.